Or do you want to go on Small... You know what? I want to go on Small World. And I want to go on Small World just because I want to go on it when the projections look like this. So people are lining up to take pictures with some character over here. Now this is the area where I got stuck during the 7 Years of Favorites, trying to take a picture with the floats from the Main Street Electrical Parade. I don't know if it's going to be that popular. Hello.
Please look down, watch your step, remove any bags or backpacks across. Enjoy your cruise around the world.
Welcome in Spring Blossom Ferry.
Welcome to It's a Small World. For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children.
This is an unusual situation. I can actually talk to my viewers on the ride because I'm the only one in this boat, and I'm not going to disturb anyone. Like, there's no one in the boat ahead of me, nor is there anyone in the boat behind me. So, I mean, no one's going to care if I'm talking on the entire ride. Hey, welcome in, Miss Garcia.
Welcome to It's a Small World. For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. until your boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you. ボートが完全に止まり、下船していただく指示が出されるまでは席を立たないでください。ご協力ありがとうございます。Por favor, permanezca sentado hasta que el bote se detenga en el muelle y se le pida que desembarque. Gracias. Bitte bleiben Sie im Boot sitzen, bis es zu einem vollständigen Halt kommt und Sie gebeten werden, aufzustehen. Danke. Please remain seated until your boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you.
Veuillez rester assis jusqu'à l'arrêt complet du bateau et attendez jusqu'à ce que l'hôte ou l'hôtesse vous demande de descendre. Merci.
Por favor, permanezca sentado hasta que el bote se detenga en el muelle y se le pida que desembarque. Gracias. Please remain seated until your boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you.
Stop goings out to your right hand side. Have a magical day. Good night.